met in London. Maybe you heard, I don't know. But look who's here. That's my mom is in the picture. Yeah. So that'll probably be the only clip in the whole video where I'm speaking. Okay, so I'm at the place now, and I just bought a American Idiot shirt, and they have like these really cool shirts here, as you can see. And I think I might be able to film a little bit of the stage